Wait.
I'm just gonna close my eyes.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Here's Tia going into her new room. Okay, just close your eyes. Stay right there. Close your eyes. Take one step forward. Okay, open them. Look. Look around.
How did you get that?
Don't stand on there.
There's nothing in there. Candy. Did you put candy in there? Yay. Can I have one? Is this one for my surprise?
Yeah.
Thanks. Oopsie. Hey, what is this?
Hey, what is that?
Do you know what it is?
It's all your costumes. Hey, what's that? On an Elsa game? Whoa.
Do you want to play with me?
Yes.
Fluttershy!
Fluttershy in the window? No way.
Can you open it?
Yep, we can open it.
Oh, see, I need to pick this up.
Yep, your scooter. What do you think?
What is this?
That's your new whale.
A pink dolphin!
It's a pink dolphin. Yep.
I'm gonna ride it. Oh, I just got it.
Oh man, look at your picture on the wall. Look at.
You got everything on an Elsa?
Well, that's what you wanted, right?
Yeah.
Oh. You like it?
Yeah, what is this?
A bingo game.
A beautiful game.
Look at me. Look at the camera. Say thanks everybody for your help.
I just dropped that.
That's okay. We can pick it up.
Okay.
Here, look at the camera. And say thanks everybody for your help.
Thanks everybody for your help.
Say we love you.
I love you.